Windows 11 can automatically detect and install new hardware drivers you connect to your computer. However, sometimes you may not want the system settings app specific device automatically. It could be because Windows 11 tries to install a version of the incompatible driver or a version that contains bugs, which will result in more issues. Sometimes you may also want to stop automatic driver installation because there is another version known to work better on your computer. Whatever the reason, you can stop the operating system from trying to use Windows Update to download driver updates. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to stop automatic driver installation on Windows 11. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open settings. Click on System. Click on About. Under the related settings section, click the System Protection option. Click the Hardware tab. Click the Device Installation Settings button. Select the No option. Click the Save Changes button. Click the OK button. Once you complete the step, Windows 11 no longer try to install driver automatically for new device on your computer. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe